Bonjour à tous, comment ça va? Ok, ça va. Je vais très bien, parfaitement bien, je vais super bien. Today we are going to learn how to describe a person in French. We will use the verbs like être and some adjectives we are going to work on. And like always, we will start with a small dialogue, right? Allez, c'est parti. Right, here we have the dialogue. Okay, listen up. Elle est comment ta sœur? Elle est comment ta sœur? Elle est comment ta sœur? As answer, elle est grande, brune et très sympa. Grande, brune et très sympa. Et ton frère, il est comment? Et ton frère, il est comment? Oh, il est mince, petit, blond et il a les yeux bleus. Right? Let's see with the translation. So first is, elle est comment ta sœur? What's your sister like? To answer, elle est grande. She's tall. Brune, dark haired. Et très sympa and very nice, very kind. Et ton frère and your brother, il est comment? And what about him? And what's your brother like? Oh, il est mince. He's slim, he's thin. Petit, short, grand, petit, okay? He's short, blonde, et il a les yeux bleus, and he has blue eyes. Now we will see some key phrases. Here we have some little tips to describe a person. So first is il est comment or elle est comment, what he or what she is like. Il est sympa, he is nice. Elle est sympa, she is nice, she is kind. Il a les cheveux bruns. Il a les cheveux. Cheveux means hair. Brun, brown color. Elle a les yeux verts. She has green eyes. So see, in French, we generally placed the adjectives after the noun. Like in English, we say green eyes, but in French, it will be eyes green. Brown hair, cheveux brun, right? Okay, guys, here we have some questions to practice, questions to ask someone to describe a person. Okay, so first is il est comment or elle est comment? What is he like or what is she like? You can answer without any verb here. You can simply say très sympa, petit, grand, mince, etc. But if you want to ask something specific about that person, for example, elle a les yeux verts, non? Elle a les yeux verts. She has green eyes, no? Right? Then the answer can be oui, c'est ça. Yes, it is. Okay, now very important, everybody, the negative sentences. Negative, we have already talked about that a little bit, but you know, it's very important to always go back a little bit to redo some of the exercises or to redo a bit of grammar, vocabulary, pronunciations, etc. So you remember anytime during this course. Uh, you can go back to all the PDFs. You have the Instagram. So you have in the Instagram group every material, all the materials are there. Okay. You can redo the exercises or even better, watch the lessons, the different sessions again to make sure you assimilate and you master everything. Okay. Which we are doing in this course. I'm talking too much. Okay, well, here for the for the negative sentences, les phrases négatives. So if you remember, we have already done. We have to just place no and pas before the verb, or I can say after the subject, we place no, and then verb and the placement of the word pas. Okay. For example, and yes, ne, no, it becomes an apostrophe if the verb is starting with a vowel. So here you have the example, elle n'est pas sympa. Okay, she is not nice. Like the affirmative sentence was L A Sampa, she is kind, she is nice. And here the verb is A, okay, at the verb's conjugation. So just before that, we are putting no an apostrophe because the verb is starting with the vowel, which is E here. So elle n'est pas and then Sampa. Elle n'est pas Sampa. He does not have blue eyes. So, il n'a pas les yeux bleus. The verb is avoir, right? Avar's conjugation we have here, a. So, before that, we are placing an apostrophe. And then after we have pas. Il n'a pas les yeux bleus. Remember that when we speak fast, we do not pronounce the no or an apostrophe. We can also say, elle est pas sympa. Okay, I'm not saying elle n'est pas sympa. We can go with elle est pas sympa. Il a pas les yeux bleus. Il a pas les yeux bleus, right? He does not have blue eyes. Okay, well, I hope till here everything is clear. The next session will be about weekend activities. So the activities which we can do, which you can do, which I can do, which one can do during the weekend. We're gonna learn about that, right? Now, like I always, go and download all the PDFs, do all the exercises. The more you practice, the more you will master French. Don't forget that if you have any question, well, you can write us down. You have our email in the description of this video, and well, in the Telegram channel. Yes, you can well discuss with the community. And please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel. French Popcorn. Salut, bonne journée.